Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana, taking a motor out for a spin this morning. This is a repair job, 1970, 4 horsepower Evinrude. Took this baby and took her apart. Got her all cleaned up, repaired, running great. We're going to take her out on the bayou, or actually we're going to take her to Lake Martin and see how she runs this morning. Alright, we got out here on the lake this morning, 1970 4 horsepower. A little repair job I did for a customer named Jason. Replaced the points, cleaned the carb, fixed the rewind starter, and it runs good. Pushes my little John boat here about 4 miles an hour. Let's take it for a little spin. This is a 360 motor design. You start it, it's in gear. You want to turn it, you spin it all the way around. This is reverse. This is reverse. No neutral, no forward. Back to forward gear. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.